Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Rio key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, something like a jeweler's screwdriver, to help with the process. Make sure you have good lighting and a clean, flat surface to work on. This will prevent losing any small parts and make the task much easier to see. Now, carefully examine your Kia Rio key fob. You should find a small notch or indentation along the edge, typically on one of the longer sides. This tiny opening is the designated spot where the two halves of the key fob connect. It's designed for easy access, so take a moment to locate it precisely. Once you've found the notch, gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into it. With a slow and controlled motion, twist the screwdriver slightly. You should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Remember to use minimal force to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the key fob now open, you'll see the small circular battery nestled inside. Take note of the battery type, which is usually printed on its surface, so you can get an exact replacement. Gently pry out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Then, simply snap the two halves of the key fob back together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.